What's up, y'all? So we are going to jump right into this video with a little skincare. I'm starting off bare face, clean face, no moisturizer, and I'm just going to start applying my mask. This is a mask that I have been obsessed with lately. This is by Teami, and I didn't even know they had masks. I thought they only made teas, but they have these amazing masks, and I got to try out the Detox mask. It's made with matcha, lemongrass, and clay, and let me tell you how amazing this stuff makes my skin feel. It's a detox mask, so I feel like it just pulls out all of the gunk and all the bad stuff, all that makeup, everything that's in my skin, and really leaves it feeling nice and fresh and really, really soft. You guys will see how gorgeous my skin looks once I take this mask off, okay? And they gave me a discount code, which is awesome, so it'll be linked down below in the description box, the mask, all of that. I want you guys to really see what this mask does to my skin. So check out their website. They have a host of other products as well, but this mask is everything. And it smells really good too. I really love this mask, you guys. If you've been following me on Instagram, then you've seen me use this like 3 or 4 times in the last couple of weeks. So just look how gorgeous my skin looks. It feels even better than it looks. I'm telling you, I am obsessed. So check the description box and check out their masks, you guys. So let's just move into the makeup. I'm gonna moisturize my face here. So I'm using a Murad moisturizer, and then I'm also using these Farsali gold leaf drops, whatever they're called. Everything will be listed down below in the description box that I use, but you guys know I've been using these as well because my skin has been a little more dry than usual, so it needs some extra TLC. So this look is going to be a buttload of new drugstore makeup products. I have a bunch of stuff from Wet n Wild and also some things from NYX that I have not tried out yet. Some a little older, some brand new. So you guys are going to see just amazing drugstore look that I get out of all of these amazing products. I actually loved most of them too, so that was a good thing. So you guys will see me right here just doing my brows. I'm using this brand new Wet n Wild brow pencil, and it's just a regular brow pencil, spoolie on one end, skinny brow pencil on the other. Y'all know that's my favorite. I can't use thicker brow pencils, so this type of pencil I live for. I'm using this Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer by NYX just to clean up the brows a little bit, and you guys are also going to see me in a minute prime my eyes with it as well. Moving into the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this NYX Grind Palette, and I'm taking that yellow shade and I'm going to use that actually as my crease or transition shade. And I've had this palette for maybe a month and a half. I think I hauled it in November, and I just haven't gotten a chance to use it yet, so I'm really excited to be diving into it today. Now that we've mostly finished up the eyes, we're going to dive into the face, and we're going to take this new primer by Wet n Wild. It's just their new stick mattifying primer, and I really liked this primer. It definitely kept me matte, and it smelled a little funny, I think, but it definitely kept me matte, and I honestly liked the primer. I've been loving stick primers lately, so this was right up my alley. And with that stick primer, they also came out with a new stick foundation. As you can see, I was ecstatic to try this foundation. Love stick foundations. Now, this is not a matte finish, so if you have super oily skin, I don't know if I would recommend this too much. It also wasn't as full coverage as I thought it was going to be. It was more of a medium coverage, but it was pretty on the skin. I didn't have any issues with it, just that I needed to touch up throughout the day. But other than that, I mean, if you don't have oily skin, I think you might really like this foundation. It was super creamy, it blended out easily, and I'll show you guys in a minute what that one layer did, but it didn't cover as much as I wanted to, so I had to go in with a second layer. So moving on, I'm taking the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer again, and this stuff promises a 24-hour matte finish. So I was really skeptical about this concealer, but it's actually really good. It covers well, didn't crease, and it just really left my under eyes not feeling as dry as I thought it was going to feel, because I thought it was going to be really drying, but it wasn't, and I really liked it. It does dry quickly though, so you have to make sure you blend it out really fast. But I used the shades Neutral Tan, that's the one I'm using now, and then in a second you'll see me add Medium Olive, because I feel like Neutral Tan was just a little too close to my skin tone, and I wanted more of that highlighted look. So the Can't Stop Won't Stop line is on fire, because NYX also came out with a setting powder, the Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder, so I'm just using that on my entire face. They had a banana shade that I can use under the eyes, but I didn't want to buy another banana powder, so I just went ahead and used it all over on the face, and I believe I got shade 3, but that'll be down below. Next, I'm just going to take like my favorite. You guys know, I've seen me use these all the time. I just mixed the contour shades in these two Wet n Wild palettes, and I'm going to contour my skin. These are like the best contour shades ever, and they're only $4.99 a piece, if you guys have been living under a rock and did not know. for blush, I've been kind of obsessed with this little mini NARS blush. It's not Drugstore, but it's new and it's really, really cute. So I had to show it to you guys.
Oh, you're so heavy. Say hi.
So rounding out the new products, Wet n Wild came out with a updated formula of their Mega Length Mascara. And if you guys have been watching me for a long time, you know that is one of my absolute favorite mascaras ever. It's just so lengthening, and the wand is super skinny, so you can get your lower lash line. Look, just, oh, it's amazing. It's so beautiful. And I love the updated formula, by the way. And on the lips, I'm just taking this Maybelline Matte Ink. I've been talking about these too. These Super Stay Matte Ink liquid lipsticks. And this one's in the shade Protector. And I'm just super obsessed with these. These aren't new anymore. I've been using them for maybe close to a month now. But I'm just super obsessed with them. So there you go. But this is it, you guys. This is the end of the look. I hope you enjoyed this and it was helpful for you. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave it down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also give it a thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.